Plot the points P, R, and S in coordinate plane and draw angle PRS. Classify the angle. Give the coordinates of a point that lies in the interior of the angle. So first we need XY plane. Because we have -4, always the first coordinate is X, the second is Y. X, Y, X, Y. Because we have negative X's and negative Y, so we need the third quadrant. So this is our x-axis, y-axis. First we need to find the unit. 1, 1, -1, -1. First point is -4, 0. So -1, 2, 3, 4. -4, 0. So this point is on the x-axis. This is our P. Next we have R is -4 for X and -4 for Y. So it's 2, 3, -4. And we have our point R. Next we have to find S. X is 0 and Y is -4. So this point is on the y-axis. This is our S point. We have to draw angle PRS. It means R is the vertex of our angle. So let's draw this angle. This line should be parallel to y-axis and this to x-axis. What we got here, because this one line is parallel to y and this ray RS is parallel to x-axis, so we see that our angle R is right angle. So we can write that this is right angle. It means angle R, measure of angle R is 90 degrees. What else? We have to give the coordinates of point that lies in the interior of the angle. So we have to find the point that is in the interior of angle. So we have to find the point which is between points that lie on each side of the angle. So, for example, we can choose this point. This point is between sides RP and RS. So let's put that this is our A point 0, 0. Has coordinates. You can choose any point. So this is my solution.